Hello! Taking you on another little walk in one of my other little favorite spots that I found when I was first came out here. Always looking for the prime nature spots. Look at I just love it. There's so much beauty all around us. If you take the time to find it and go be in it. Yeah, this isn't going to do any justice, but so beautiful. Right by the lakes. There's so many lakes. Nature. Do you ever hug a tree? Look at it. This one needs a hug. Tap it. You literally feel energy from them. You can. I really suggest, if you've never hugged a tree, to go do that and know that they just can give you energy, messages. Everything is divine if you choose to see it that way. Your reality truly is your perception that you choose. Choose wisely. Much love.